Is AI here to take our jobs or is it here to make us better?
This is all about to reduce the manual grunt work so that data engineers can focus on architecture, innovation and strategy.
When I saw complex PySpark code being generated with the use of simple prompt, and I thought, oh, is this really engineering? I think our future is not about coding, it's all about co-creating with AI.
When we moved from central monolithic data warehouses to domain-based model, that was the turning point. Even data pipelines has the potential to self-heal, optimize, even predict issues before they occur.
You know, it's crazy to realize that whenever you do a digital interaction, be it a food delivery app or checking your bank transactions or maybe tracking a parcel, there's an invisible army of data engineers at play which is making all of this possible.
Exactly. This army is getting an upgrade now with AI-powered tools and technologies. It is beyond now building data pipelines or a data model. It is about building AI intelligent data systems which can learn, adapt, and fix themselves.
In this episode, we'll be unlocking how AI is reshaping the world of data engineering and what it means for the businesses, and we as data engineers can stay ahead of the curve.
Hi, I am Deepak Kumar, Senior Director of Data Engineering, having more than 2 decades of experience helping clients modernizing their data platforms from on-prem data warehouse to cloud native and now to AI-driven data platforms.
And I am Sameer Sharma, Senior Manager Data Engineering at PS. I like to think of myself as a bridge between business needs and data realities to ensure that our data pipelines not just move the data, but they move value which accelerates the business growth.
Nicely said. Between two of us, we have broken and rebuilt many data platforms. Even we can write a book.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Deepak, you have seen data engineering evolve from ETL and PL SQL to AI-assisted coding, AI agents, and data mesh. Was there a significant moment in your career when you thought, this is the turning point?
Absolutely. When we moved from central monolithic data warehouses to domain-based model, that was the turning point. When data is not considered as a back office function, it is considered as a product. Now with the AI, even data pipelines has the potential to self-heal, optimize, even predict issues before they occur.
I can relate to that. For me, the shift was when I saw complex PySpark code being generated with the use of simple prompts. Right? And I thought, oh, is this really engineering? I think our future is not about coding, it's all about co-creating with AI.
That's spot on. The ecosystem itself is changing. Earlier, success meant centralization, one warehouse, single source of truth. But today, it is about decentralization, about scalability, about real-time data products.
Yes, and the clients these days don't want data pipelines to just feed the central repository. They want data that is AI ready, which can power predictive analysis, customer analytics, and also autonomous decision-making systems.
Exactly. Data engineering has become a foundation for intelligence powered by AI tools and technologies. It's about building personalization at scale, automated recommendations, self-healing pipelines, about AI data governance, AI data quality.
Okay, so let's talk about the buzzword AI. Is AI here to take our jobs or is it here to make us better?
I would say the ultimate amplifier. Think of AI-driven data quality checks, AI-driven metadata, AI-assisted pipelines. Even nowadays, data engineers are using AI for synthetic data generation. This is all about to reduce the manual grunt work so that data engineers can focus on architecture, innovation, and strategy.
Okay, so I've been experimenting with AI assistants in my project, and believe me, it not just helps me to save hours of effort, but also add in more creativity and make me more productive.
Exactly. Data engineers nowadays shouldn't fear automation. They are the one who should orchestrate it.
So Deepak, your advice to the young engineers who are entering into the world of data. What are the skills that they absolutely need to have to excel in their careers?
A very relevant question.
Yeah.
Like cloud native platforms like Databricks, Snowflakes are table stakes nowadays. What really makes people apart is the contextual intelligence. understanding the data, how to drive business values, and of course, curiosity. Because tools will change after every 2 years, but curiosity is timeless.
Totally agree with that. And I'll also add prompt engineering and storytelling. We are good to crunch the numbers, we are good to process the data, but the impact can only be felt when there's a good storytelling attached to it.
Yeah, beautifully put. At PS, we often talk about mindset, toolset, and skill set equation. You should have a right attitude to learn the things, you should have right tools to build, and you should have skills to bring ideas to life. What really makes is you are encouraged to experiment, even you fail. And that freedom sparks innovation.
Speaking of experimentation, do you remember last quarter's hackathon event? Lot of ideas presented there have made their way into the live client projects.
That's what makes PS different. There is no fear of failures. We call it safe space to innovate. Whether building AI Copilot for ETL or automate the entire pipeline, ideas can come from anywhere.
And leadership actually listens to those ideas, encourage us to take risks and then experiment in the projects.
Yeah, because innovation thrives when people feel safe and challenge the norm.
So looking ahead, what is the next big thing for data ecosystem?
We are heading towards autonomous data ecosystems, self-optimizing, self-healing, AI managed, and metadata-aware systems. Think of a copilot that builds, tests, and deploy data pipelines automatically.
So that sounds very exciting. So does that mean an engineer's role will evolve from a mere builder to a strategic orchestrator, designing self-learning systems that can learn, heal, and give the right output at the right time?
Exactly. That was the engineering the future really means.
Alright, so before we wrap up, my favorite part of the show, a quick fire round. Your favorite coding language?
I would say Python is like a Swiss Army knife of data.
Okay. Dream project?
Dream project. A self-healing enterprise data mesh entirely powered by AI. And yours?
Okay, so since I'm dreaming, I'll dream big. A planet-scaled connected intelligent system to tackle the global challenges like sustainable energy, climate change, and health.
Interesting.
So Deepak, one key takeaway from this conversation.
AI is not replacing data engineers, it's redefining them.
Okay, so the one who adapts, is curious, and can connect the tech with business is the one who is going to build the future. Thanks for tuning in. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and the best way to predict the future is
To engineer it.
Thank you, Deepak.